Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 9th Standard Chemistry, Unit 14, Acids, Bases, and Salt lesson. Let's see Introduction. Already we know the physical world. The physical world around us is made up of large number of chemicals. Soil, air, water, all the life forms and materials that they used all consist of chemicals. These things are consist as chemicals. Out of such chemicals, acids, bases, and salts are mostly used in everyday life. Let it be a fruit juice or detergent or medicine. These are one of the forms of chemicals. They play key role in our day-to-day activities. Our body metabolism is carried out by means of hydrochloric acid segregate in our stomach. Our stomach segregates hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid carried out by metabolism. Our body metabolism. An acid is a compound which is capable of forming hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ion formula H plus in aqueous solution. Whereas base is one of the compound that forms of hydroxyl ion formula OH minus ion in a aqueous solution. When acid and base react with each other, the neutral product is formed. What is the neutral product? That is called salt. Acid react with the base to form a salt. Salt is one of the neutral product. In this lesson, let us discuss about them acid, base, and salt detailed. Let's see acids. What is acid? Look at the picture. Curd, fruit juice, fruits, and vinegar. These pictures of material used in our day-to-day life. All these items are edible items. All these edible items taste similar. That is, what is the similar taste? Sour taste. That cause them to taste sour. A certain types of chemical compounds present in them gives our sour taste. These are called acids. The word acid is derived from Latin name acidus. Acid derived from which name? Latin name acidus. This acidus means sour taste. The substance with the sour taste are called acids. Which substance gives sour taste? The sour taste substance are called as acids. This picture indicates edible items. These edible items are commonly gives one of the taste, which tastes sour taste. So specific chemicals present in this substance. So the substance is called as acid. The acid substance gives sour taste. The sour taste gives substance are called as acids. Commonly called as acids. Let's see acid and its sorts. Apple contains which acid? Malic acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Grapes present tartaric acid. Tomato contains oxalic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Curd present in lactic acid. Orange contains ascorbic acid. Tea contains tannic acid. Stomach juice contains hydrochloric acid. Anten B contains formic acid. These are the some substance contains acids. So each substance contains specified acids. This is source and acids. Let's see one acid theory. In 1884, Swedish chemist Arrhenius proposed acid theory on acid and bases. According to Arrhenius theory, an acid is a substance. Acid is a substance which furnishes H plus ions or H3O plus ions in aqueous solution. They contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. Every acid contains one or more replaceable amount of hydrogen atom. For example, when hydrochloric acid is dissolved in water, what is the formula hydrochloric acid? HCl. The HCl dissolved in water, it gives H plus and Cl minus ion in water. HCl gives H plus and Cl minus ion in water. According to Arrhenius theory, acid is a substance. Acid is a substance which furnish H plus or H3O plus ions in aqueous solution. Each acid contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atoms. This is Arrhenius theory based on acid. What happened to acid or base in water? Do acid produce ions only in aqueous solution? Hydrogen ion in HCl are produced by presence of water. HCl produce H plus ion in presence of water. The separation of H plus ions from HCl molecules cannot occur in the absence of water. So HCl react with water. It gives H3O plus ion plus Cl minus ion. Hydrogen ion cannot exist alone, but they exist in combined state with water molecule. Thus, hydrogen ion must always be H plus ion or hydronium ion. Hydronium ion formula H3O plus ion. Hydrogen ion cannot exist alone, but exist only for combined state of water. So this formed by only H plus ions or hydronium ion. Hydronium formula H3O plus. H plus react with water to form a H3O plus ion. Let's see, do you know? All acids, already said, acid is a substance. Its substance contains one or more replaceable hydrogen atom. But all acids essentially contains one or more hydrogens. But all the hydrogen containing substances are not acids. Note the point. All hydrogen contained substances are not acids. For example, methane. What is the formula of methane? CH4. The CH4 contains how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. And ammonia formula NH3. Ammonia contains how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. The methane and ammonia contains hydrogen. So, but all methane and ammonia contains hydrogen. But this contains hydrogen, but they do not produce H plus ion in aqueous solution. The substances are contain hydrogen, but they do not contain H plus ion. They do not produce H plus ions in aqueous solution. So hydrogen acids only produce H plus ion in aqueous solution. Remaining hydrogen contained substances are not produced H plus ion in aqueous solution. This is difference between acids and other hydrogen contained substance. Let's see. The following table enlists various acids and ions formed by then in water. Ions formed by acids. First one, acid. Acid molecular formula, ions formed, number of replaceable hydrogen, number of replaceable hydrogen. First acid, acetic acid. Acetic acid. Acetic acid molecular formula CH3COOH. CH3COOH. The ions formed between two ions. One is H plus ion, another one is CH3COO minus ion. Number of replaceable hydrogen atom only one. Only one. Formic acid. Next acid is formic acid. Formic acid formula HCOOH. The ions formed between H plus ion, HCOO minus ion. H plus ion and HCO minus ion. Number of replaceable hydrogen only one. Nitric acid formula HNO3. HNO3. Ions formed H plus ion, H plus and NO3 minus ion. NO3 minus ion. Number of replaceable hydrogen atom only one. Sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. H2SO4. Number of ions formed 2H plus and SO4 2 minus. 2H plus SO4 2 minus. Number of replaceable hydrogen atom 2. Phosphoric acid formula H3PO4. H3PO4. Ions formed 3H plus and PO4 3 minus. 3H plus and PO4 3 minus. Number of replaceable hydrogen atom 3. These are ions formed by acids. Ions formed by acids. Let's see classification of acids. Classification of acids. Acids are classified in different ways as given. Acids are classified in mainly 4 ways. First one, based on source. Based on source. Second one, based on their basicity. Third way, based on ionization. Fourth way, based on concentration. Let's see one by one. First way of classification of acids is based on their sources. Based on the sources. Based on the sources, acid classified into two types. One is organic acid, another one is inorganic acid. Organic acid, another one is inorganic acid. What is organic acid? Acids present in plant and animals. Organic acids are plants and animals, that is living things. These are acids are called organic acids. Example of organic acid HCOOH and CH3COOH. HCOOH is the name of formic acid. CH3COOH is the acetic acid. Organic acid mainly contains carbon atoms. Carbon contained acids are called organic acid. Organic acid present mainly in living things, plants and living things. This is first type of based of source. Second one is inorganic acid. These acids prepared from rocks and minerals. They are inorganic acid, otherwise called mineral acid. Example of inorganic acid HCl, HNO3, H2SO4. HCl formula, HCl name hydrochloric acid. HNO3 is nitric acid. H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. These acids are one of the inorganic acids. These inorganic acids prepared from rocks and minerals. Otherwise, inorganic acid called as mineral acid. This is first classification based on their source. One is organic acid, another one is inorganic acid. Let's see second way of classification of acids. Based on the basicity. Before moving to this classification, we know about what is basicity. Learn this. Do you know? For acids, we use the term basicity. What is the term used? Basicity. Basicity is nothing but basicity that refers to number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in 1 mole of an acid. 1 mole of acid. Number of replaceable hydrogen atom present in 1 mole of acid. The term is called as basicity. For example, acetic acid formula CH3COH has 4 hydrogen atom but only one hydrogen is replaced. Hence it is monobasic. Hydrochloric acid HCl. How many hydrogen replaced? Only one. That is called monobasic acid. What is basicity? Number of replaceable hydrogen atom in 1 mole of acid is called as basicity. Based on basicity, acid classified into 3 types. One is monobasic acid, second one dibasic acid, third one tribasic acid. First learn about monobasic acid. Monobasic acids. Acid that contains only one replaceable hydrogen atom per molecule is called monobasic acid. Monobasic acid, that means it gives only one hydrogen ion per molecule of acid in solution. Example, HCl, HNO3. Both are contains only one hydrogen. So these acids replaced only one hydrogen. So it is called monobasic acids. Second one is dibasic acid. Acid which gives 2 hydrogen ion per molecules of the acid in a solution. These acids are replaced 2 hydrogen ion. For example, sulfuric acid H2SO4, another one H2CO3. Both are contain how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So 2 hydrogen ions are replaced by acid in a solution. So it is called dibasic acids. Third type is tribasic acids. The acid which gives 3 hydrogen ion per molecule of acids in a solution. Example, H3PO4. H3PO3 contain how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So replace 3 H plus ion per molecule of acid. So this acid is called tribasic acid. These are the classification of acid based on the basicity. Acid can be classified in 3 types. One is monobasic, second one is dibasic, third one tribasic. What is basic? Once again recall what is basicity. Basicity is nothing but a number of replaceable hydrogen ion present in 1 mole of acid is called as basicity. Let's see another way of classification of acid based on ionization. Acid get ionized in water. It gives H plus ion. It gives H plus ion. Acid get ionized in water completely or partially. Based on the ionization of acid can be classified into 2 types. One is strong acid, another one is weak acid. Completely ionization means hydrogen ions are completely removed. Partial ionization means the substances are not ionized completely. What is strong acid? These are acids that ionize completely in water. Example, HCl. HCl dissolved in water, it completely ionized. It gives 2 ions. One is H plus, another one Cl minus. The 2 ions are completely ionized. What are the 2 atoms present in HCl? H and Cl. H removed in H plus ion, Cl removed in Cl minus ion. So ions are completely ionized in water. So these acids are called strong acids. What is weak acid? These are acids that ionize partially in water. Example, acetic acid. Acetic acid formula CH3COO minus. This acetic acid dissolved in water, it gives H plus and CH3COO minus. H plus is the one type of ion, CH3 another type. The ionization not completely, partially only. So these acids are called weak acids. Let's see fourth way of classification of acid. What is fourth way? Based on concentration. Based on concentration, acid classified into two types. One is concentrated acid, another one is dilute acid. Let's see concentrated acid. It has relatively large amount of acid dissolved in a water. Dissolved in a water. Take one glass of take one glass and add 75 ml of water and remaining 25% of add acids. Take another beaker, add 75% of water and add 10% of acid. Compared to two beaker, which one is contains more amount of acid? 25% first glass contains 25% of acid, 75% of water. So compared to second beaker, 10% only has the remaining percentage of water. So which one is high percent of high amount of acid? Beaker A. So that is called concentrated acid. Remaining beaker contains dilute acid. Dilute acid. What is concentrated acid? Relatively large amount of acid present in a solvent. Present in a dissolved in a water. Dissolved in a large amount of acid dissolved in water. This is called concentrated acid. What is dilute acid? It has relatively smaller amount of acid dissolved in water. Dissolved in solvents. Dissolved in solvent. This is concentration based on their concentration types. One is concentrated acid, another one is dilute acid. Concentrated acid contains large amount of acids present in water solvent. Dilute acid contains less amount of acid dissolved in solvent. These are the classification of acids based on the four types. First one classify based on the source. Second one based on the basicity. Third one based on ionization. Fourth one based on concentration. Dear students, learn today's topics and note the assignment question. First question: what is organic and inorganic acid? This is answer for organic and inorganic acid. Define term basicity. This is answer for term basicity. Third question: what is dry basic acid? What is dry basic acid? This is answer for dry basic acid. Note the assignment question for your classwork note. Thank you, students.